Welcome back. In this video, let's understand sets in one. A unique collection where every element is stored only once. Okay, so let's see with a simple example. See here is the numbers in the store 10, 12, 30 and again 10. Okay, so these it has for only two elements in a set with a should be equal or change or remove the duplicate element. That means 10 is not considered in a this set. Okay, so let's here and see 10, 12, or 13. See, fourth element which will store 10 is not stored in numbers because we use a set. Okay, can we move to the its methods? Okay, so first of all is we take add means we add a row in these names set. Okay, and there is another option. It will multiple add elements in a names. Okay, then we can next. Okay, here's the output. See, Aaron, Nia, Joan, and Nia. Okay, because arrow is written, so it's not considered. Okay, then check to remove. Then what we do? We remove Rohan. Then check. See, Aaron, Nia, and Nia. Okay, so we change it. See, Aaron, Nia, and Nia. Rohan is removed. Okay, after this movement. Then we would we get we use contains is used to check specified value is available or not in a set. Okay. So what is written? Mira. Mira is available in the name. Yes, it's available. Aaron, Mia, and Mira. So if we check name your contains Mira, then it's written true. Okay. See, it's written true. Okay. Sets support method mathematical operations like union, integration, and difference. Okay, we check is here and check. See, here what is it? A means 1, 2, 3, union B 3, 4, 5. Okay, so what union B is combined what sets. Okay, so what is the union output? Comment down. That's C 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Why 3 now? You can because that's not used in the paper. Okay, so union what? Now what is intersection. Okay, what is intersection? Intersection means both cell which value with regard to join or set. Okay, so here is 1, 2, 3, or here 3, 4, 5. So what we will be the intersection is 3. Okay, there is common inverse. Okay, so what is here written intersection method is written set 3. Okay, and then what is different? See, intersection A dot difference is similar to intersection. What's this do? Intersection is do in first share, check duplicate value in second. Okay? See, this is the main purpose of intersection. Example two, difference is opposite of intersection. Okay, so what is here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5. It means intersection is written 3. So 3 is available in both set. Okay. Now we use difference. So is opposite of intersection. So it's written 1 or 2. See, there is 1 or 2. So this is simple set methods and how to use stats in our data. Okay, so that is setting that. But that when you need unique value in quick numbers with checks, then you can use that. Okay, let's in the next video we will cover maps, one of the most useful data structure in that and cover. Okay, so thanks.